that our great threat or the challenge in front of the human community is that of unemployment throughout the world. The whole world is standing still or astonished how to correct these things or how to find a solution for this great challenge, unemployment. And we are trying to do something on that. The government has put into place significant support to the startup entrepreneurships, established incubators, and arranged different forms of financing. But now we also want to encourage social business that would support the society and economically vulnerable. Experience around the world was shown that social entrepreneurships create more jobs than SMSEs. I'm not denying the SMSEs or its facilities. It should exist and it should flourish, but social entrepreneurship, the discussion is going on throughout the world about social entrepreneurships. Now we are also starting that discussion here, and it provides more opportunities to women. We definitely think like that, and that their activities can help address equality as well as protect the environment also. Kerala in particular has high potential to be breeding ground for social business. Given this context, social business present a win-win instrument to create jobs as well as support vulnerable groups. However, for this to happen on a large scale, a facility ecosystem is critical. Facilitating the ecosystem is more critical, different from that in many other business sectors. There are currently no policies in the country that directly address social entrepreneurship. The whole world is discussing about social entrepreneurship and social business, but there is no such policy for a good policy for these social entrepreneurships. At the national level, in 2015, National Policy on Skill Development and Entrepreneurship by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurships includes a section on social business with a stated aim to foster innovation-driven and social entrepreneurs to address the needs of the population and at the bottom of the pyramid. But so far, there has been no strategic measures in this regard. In this state, we feel we need to move forward with the social business to support the marginalized groups. We have to frame a policy on that. A clear policy to encourage social business is essential. We need an environment in which entrepreneurs and business managers are judged not just on commercial items. It should be judged not by the profit oriented system or by the profits they make for themselves or their shareholders, but also on their broader approach to society and the environment and to do public good. How many families we can save through the social business or this kind of entrepreneurship? That is the real question we have to address. We want to encourage social business to serve the underserved, protect environment, and ensure decent livelihoods for economically and socially vulnerable groups. We look forward to hearing from all of you on how the state can support this vision. The conference is only the beginning. We hope to continue the dialogues and consultation with all of you and the public before we finalize the draft policy framework for sustainable social business. The government is ready to do what is needed to meet the objectives. After framing a draft policy, we should have to make it a policy for the government, and also to frame action plans out of the policy. That was the work we want to do after this conference. And another thing, one important thing, we are starting an international trade and research center for women. That is a fantastic thing, and our Chief Minister is laying the foundation stone for that novel project, International Trade and Research Center for Women, in which the women in Kerala and outside throughout the world got opportunities to get their ideas to the reality and they can come here, work together here, and it is a fantastic opportunity it will provide, I think so. And Sunish is behind that, definitely. I can say like that. I express my heartful thanks to PTM Sunish, our General Park CEO, for all these achievements.